The procedure for installing the paid product or the demo is pretty much the same for the Bandleader software. You'll be sent an email with a link to the download file. You'll be asked if you want to save the download file or run it. Click Save. Create a new folder and put that file in it. Don't save it onto your desktop. Double-click that download file and select Unzip from the options. It will create a folder with the unzipped contents. Find that folder and right-click the setup.exe file, then the Properties and the Compatibility tab, and make sure you run it as an administrator user. Then double-click the setup.exe file to start the installation. It will begin to copy setup files onto your computer. Enter your name. Click Continue. Then enter your registration number. If you're doing the demo, just type in the word demo in capital letters. Click I accept the licensing agreement and follow the prompts. It'll start to copy the program files, and you might be prompted to save a file that's already on your system. Always click yes to this kind of prompt. When you're finished, you'll need to get onto our website and get a startup code if you have purchased the product. You only need the startup code for the first time you try to start it. Before we start the Bandleader the first time, we have some housekeeping to do. Right-click the icon, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab and check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Then click OK. Now we can start the Bandleader. Left-click the icon and you'll be reminded again that you must run the Bandleader as an administrator user. If you're certain that you've checked that box on the Properties tab, then go ahead and click OK. If you've purchased the product, the next thing is you'll be required to enter a startup code. If you're installing the demo, you won't be. You can change the main canvas of the Bandleader's background at any time, but to begin we'll load our default background. Now we have a quick setup card that appears. Let's maximize it so we can see the whole thing on the screen. I advise that you turn on your printer and print this quick setup card so that you can have it by your side as you get to know the Bandleader. Now it's time to start entering your information. The first thing is you want to set up your players, because players are almost in everything. So Setup menu, Players, and then begin by entering yourself as the first player. After that, you can follow the quick setup card.